Welcome to NC Meditation Guide. I'll be your guide, Michelle. Please sit back and relax. Time for a field trip. Out to nature we go. We will be discovering nature bathing. We're going to unplug, disconnect from devices, listening and discovering. Taking time to fully engage and being receptive. When you become distracted, just return to your breath and the sounds of nature. Speaking silently or out loud, gratitude for the healing, beauty, joy, and peace